described to me by my father as a daunting task.
I figured it's 14 stories. It's hundreds of steps, especially everyone was so excited. Oh, I want to come up, I want to help. Some guys only made it halfway and said, good night, goodbye.
I am volunteering at St. Peter's Church bell tower to restore power to the bell tower once again after almost 30 years. And it's been a staple of this neighborhood since 1839, and it'd just be a beautiful thing to once again hear the bells ring.
My partner, Tommy Binder, he was chairman of the local electricians retirees club on Staten Island. We started the job, him and I, and Thursday mornings he would take care of his grandchildren. And he didn't show up at his daughter's house, and he was dead in bed. He passed away, 70 years old in like a day or two. So that kind of monkey wrenched the job for a while, till I got my son.
It's a great experience, and to be beside my father, and you know, it's wouldn't trade it for the world.
As soon as they hit the keyboards, after 30 years, the bells are ringing once again.